Hi everyone, how are you doing? We welcome you all to the hands-on video of the Windows 10 Mobile build 10586.242. Microsoft has pushed this build to Windows insiders in release previewing, and if the feedback from the insiders remains fine, if there are not too many issues and bugs in this build, it will be pushed to non-insiders running a Windows 10 Mobile device officially or upgraded to Windows 10 Mobile officially. So as you can see here, this Lumia 525 is running build 10586.242. So we have demoed the last build like 10586.218 on a Lumia 525 and it behaved well. So we can expect that the build 10586.242 that brings fixes to many issues and bugs seen in build 10586.218 will behave in a better way. Maybe it will perform faster and there will be less issues. So, but just to say that build 10586.218 was itself a relatively stable build, so we can expect this build to behave in a normal way. So let's begin with the checking of the UI navigation. And as we have already seen, usually the UI navigation wise it remains good. We can check the settings, action center basically. We can check the settings. So even on a budget device like Lumia 525, which is old generation device, last generation device, so it is quite good actually. What we see is the response remains nearly uniform. It is good actually that you will see a homogeneous uniform kind of response across the UI. We can open few of the apps and see, like we can open the Cortana, we can open the store, we can open File Explorer, let's say. We can open Maps. And the good thing to notice is that there are no crashes or that kind of issues. We will do a bit of browsing because browsing is something a bit of heavy task. So usually, you may know this, and usually Microsoft's browser like Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge, they offer good panning, zooming, etc. So usually you would not be disappointed with that. Scrolling is good, panning, zooming, etc. remains good actually. And Microsoft Edge behaves well. It has got that good thing. So we can open see. We can just see more pages here. So browsing remains good. Let's send it to background. So now we have enough apps open in background, and We can check it for multitasking, so let's do it. Here we go for maps. It resumes well. We can open Cortana. It's okay. Similarly, we can open, okay, we can open other apps. When the browser resumes well. So usually Windows 10 Mobile has fixed the issue of resuming, that dreaded resuming bug. So usually that may be because Microsoft got lots of feedback from insiders, because there were lots of issue in Windows Phone 8.1 preview builds, and now in Windows 10 Mobile it has been taken care of. So that's a good thing, that usually the multitasking remains good. So as you can notice, till now there are like usually no crashes. So there may be bugs. I mean, if we run this build for some time, maybe like a few more days, we can find one or two bugs here and there. But usually what we have seen, that in our experience, uh, there are no what we can say, like deal breaker kind of bugs, or bugs that actually gives you lots of issues. So usually the things like phone messaging, etc., they work fine on the in this build. So generally, if you talk about how we felt about it, so it is good as a daily driver. You can use it as a daily driver. Talking about battery life, we have seen the battery life or battery discharge to be normal. There is no abnormal kind of battery discharge. So if whatever life you were getting on the last build 10586.218, you will get slightly better than that, but not less than that. So that is our experience with this build. If you talk about the battery life, as we said about bugs and issues, we did not see many bugs or issues or crashes with the build. And in our hands-on navigation, you might have seen that it behaves normally. Like as we said earlier, build 10586.218 was a stable build. So it's more stable than that, because it brings more, more fixes to issues and bugs that were seen in the last build. So with that, we can recommend it as a daily driver. If you wish to use it, you can use it as a daily driver and upgrade to it. So with that, we come to end of this video. Hope you have liked this video. Stay tuned for more. Stay tuned, and you can watch our hands-on video of the Redstone build as well. So thanks for watching.